Hi, I'm Roger Leonard, and this is Carol Leonard, and this is our boat, our Catalina 445, hull number 145, and which we've acquired from Ed Massey through Massey Yacht Sales. This has been a wonderful experience where we've taken a production boat and have highly customized it using the resources that Ed has available and all the many craftsmen and experts that he has, so that every detail is immaculately completed on the boat. So what we have now is not a production boat, but a custom boat, thanks to all of his um, network of experts.
It's been such a pleasant experience. It hasn't been rushed or hurried, or we haven't felt like we were pushed to make any decisions. And everything that we changed or decided to change, like installing a coffee maker, which was really important, and installing a grill and installing a washer and dryer, were all maybe some of the things they didn't that were is more common, but Ed certainly made it happen, and it's just perfect. We're so excited.
Yes, she got everything she wanted. Her bucket list.
I did.
Yeah, washer dryer, coffee maker,
Uh,
underwater lights.
yeah, and
Yeah,
our scuba tanks.
yeah, it's custom made uh, uh, system for storing and holding our scuba tanks.
So we are super pleased and can't wait. I haven't been on the boat since it was under I guess construction.
This is we've been on the sales
Yes, so looking
episode.
forward to.
That was episode 4, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So our plans now will be to finish up uh, the review of systems today. Then next week, when the winds pick up, we'll go out sailing and do the sea trials. And then after that, we're going to take it down to the Dry Tortugas in Key West in December. And then in January, we'll be doing offshore passage to St. Thomas and then spend 4 months in the Caribbean. So we especially like to thank Ed Massey for a great experience. I mean, he is just so detailed oriented. His team of support technicians are very detailed oriented. Not only have they carefully installed many customized options of the boat, but they've also made a lot of improvements to the system. So we're just very excited about this, and we just couldn't have been happier. It's been just such a great experience, best ever experience in the yacht market.
We would highly recommend anyone that wants to build a boat or to even buy a boat. Ed Massey and Massey Sales is it's first class all the way.
High integrity guy and high integrity team.
Yes.